Hi, I'm Elizabeth Johnson of Broken Arrow. I'm 85 years of age. We decided at our age we should think about renovating our bathroom, have a shower, and of course, a seat to sit on in case we got incapacitated. And I was called the attention of Reynolds Renovations. I called Josh and had him come out to give me an estimate. He was very ambitious, very courteous, and I enjoyed the visit he gave me and especially the price he quoted me for doing my bathroom. He done above and beyond what he said he would do. What I want to say is, when I met Josh, I knew immediately that his personality and my personality would work together. I liked his telling me the truth and doing the things that I wanted, a little extra that I thought of later, that I wanted done. And not many people do that this day and age. He completely redid it. His crew and him did. Took everything out of the bathroom and redid it. Has a walk-in shower now with a seat to sit on. Since I've aged, I might need that. I asked him to put the seat in, be sure I had a guardrail to keep me up in case I started to fall, to have the nozzle come off in case somebody else had to give me a shower as I grew older. In the process of this renovation, Josh's crew had to entirely take everything out of the bathroom and completely start over because it had a bathtub and sheetrock walls. When Josh came to my house to talk to me, he noticed I had white carpet, and he was very conscientious about the white carpet. He said to his employees, "You will have to put things down over her carpet because do not mess up her house." He was very courteous, very prompt, and so were his employees. They did things promptly and called me and let me know exactly when and what was going to happen. He was here every day on time. His employees were here on time, very clean and courteous. Had I known that I would enjoy this as much as I have, it would have been done 10 years ago instead of now. It's much more comfortable, much easier to get in and out of the shower than it was the bathtub. And I'm so proud that we made this decision. If I had anything that needed to be renovated in my house today, Josh Reynolds is who I would call. Reynolds Renovation. I would recommend Josh Reynolds or Reynolds Renovation for anyone that I know because of his honesty and integrity.